Looking for peace in a noisy world? This Bose QuietComfort headphone might become your new escape. The moment you slip them on, the noise fades instantly. Bose's adaptive noise cancellation listens to your surroundings and blocks distractions in real time, while the soft memory foam cushions feel like pillows around your ears. The sound is rich, warm, and incredibly detailed, perfect for movies, music, or deep focus. And the controls are simple, intuitive, and respond instantly, making every use feel effortless. If you travel often, work in busy places, study for long hours, or just love premium sound, these are made for you. Check the link in the description to grab yours and upgrade your listening experience today.